So here we have the Volkswagen Golf on a 72 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Just briefly before we climb inside the car, I think it's well worth seeing the boot space. You can also see we have reversing sensors there. Plenty of space in the boot, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further, and that ski hatch that will run through the centre of the vehicle as well. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. At the bottom of that right-hand side corner, you can see a digital readout for the speedometer. And to the left of that, the total miles of this car, which is 6,604. Now, you can change the layout of these dials completely. So you can have various different styles up there, as you can see. Eventually back around to the beginning. Not only that, but you can then also customize the information that's displayed in each section as well. So very, very easy to do. And as you can see, I've changed everything that was displayed there now using the buttons just here. We have stereo controls over there. Stereo controls continue on the left along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, you can hit this button if you wish to. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. And then over in the centre, we have the main touchscreen for the car. So this is the home menu. There is a choice of different home menus available to you. Ultimately, you can access the same information from each, including, as you can see, satellite navigation. We've done a full video showing how the sat-nav works. You can find that on our website and on our YouTube channel as well. You can access your music from up here. So there's a number of ways you can listen to music. We've got the radio, of course, and you'll see we've got FM, DAB, and internet radio as well. You can adjust your volume up and down just here, as you just saw me do. If you listen to your own music, hit the media button. We've got Bluetooth audio. My Media will enable you to put your own playlists into the car ultimately. And then from here, you can pair your phone as well. If we back out ever so slightly, you'll see we've got a few more buttons down here. If I press the climate control one, we now have our climate control options up on the screen just here as well. So you're able to turn the system on, determine where you'd like the air to be distributed, adjust your fan speed and your temperature from there as well. Of course, turn your air conditioning on and off again. It's on when it's lit up like that, or put it into auto. The car will now maintain that temperature for you. You can adjust from here the passenger temperature and driver temperature individually up and down should you wish to do that. We've also got our driver assist systems menu and our parking menu as well. So this car's got reversing sensors, as I mentioned already, but you can also have a visual guide up there too. Beneath that, we have storage. We have two USB-C inputs. We have a 6-speed manual gearbox. This button will start and stop the engine, and with an electronic handbrake with auto hold function. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.